this Vayat.
द्वे सत्य विद्ये एका वा
यक्षरव्यादिवाक्ययोः
फलभेदादुभे लोक जयात् पापहते पृथक् प्रकृताकर्षणादेका पापघातोऽङ्गजीफलम् अर्थवादोऽथवा मुख्यः युक्तो धीकृतिकल्पकः
अन्वय Yaksha. Yaksha means they are not some god. Pujaha. Hiranyagarbha is told as what? Puja, highest adorable. Ravi. Adi Vakyayoho. Those Vakyas will see afterwards in this statement. Satya Vidya. Upasana of Satya Vidya. Who? This Hiranyagarbha. Dve. Are they two? Or eka, are they one and the same? So this is the samshaya. So the Pura Paksha says two. Phala Vedad Ube. Because in both these statements, different phalas are there. And when different phalas are there, two upasanas must be there. Ube. Why? These are the two. What is that? What are the two different results? Lokajayat papa hatehe pruthak phala bhedat ube. One is Lokajaya, prapti of the Loka, Hiranyagarbha Loka. Other is papa nasha. Because of these two different phalas, upasanas are two. Siddhanta says, Prakrutakarshana eka. Prakrutakarshana means in the earlier upasana, what Satya Hiranyagarbha upasana was there, same thing is referred to in the subsequent upasana. Means what happens? Both are one and the same. Akarshanat means they are reference to eka. And what about the phala veda? Say, phala is Lokajaya only. What about the papa ghataha, papa destruction, angadi phalam? Is a phala of anga upasana, and there is a rule. What is the rule? Anga valashutihi arthavada. Valashtuti of anga is a praise. It is not an upasana main phala. Main phala is what? Jaya, loka jaya. Hiranyagarbha loka prapti. Whereas papa ji, destruction of papa is result of anga of the upasana, and when phala of anga upasana is given, it is arthavada to praise the upasana. Therefore, papa ghataha, destruction of papa, that is angadi, is the phala of upasana anga, and therefore it is what? Arthavadaha is the praise. Or you can take it as a mukhya vidhi. How? Athava adhikriti kalpakaha mukhyaha yuktaha. It is said in that main upasana, adhikari is not told. Main upasana who is not told? Adhikari is not told. So that adhikari has to be told. Who is that? One who has destroyed his papa is the adhikari. Mukhya here is, Mukhya stands for upasana vidhi. Vidhi is masculine, therefore Mukhya upasana. Or the second one can be taken as Mukhya upasana vidhi. But why adhikari is not told? So for that vidhi, to specify the adhikari has to be taken. सा एव हि सत्यादयः Upasana in Brihadaranyaka about Satyam Brahma, that is Hiranyagarbha Upasana, appears one after the other. These are not two different upasanas, it is one and the same upasana. This means after description of Satyam Brahma Upasana, whatever that Vidya comes is the same as the earlier Satya Brahma Upasana only. So that is what Sa means Ya must be there. Ya, that one which comes after the Satyam Brahma Upasana is the same as the earlier one and not a different Upasana altogether. Sa eva hi. Sa eva means Satya Vidya eva. Ya iyam anantara vidya. Whatever this is Vidya that comes later is Sa. That one. This one only this Satya Vidya only. Here, how come he? Because we have to make it adhyara, because the same Vidya is referred to. Akarshana, reference. Same Vidya is referred to. Then Satyadayaha, you have to add there, Upasamhartavyaha. After Satyadaya in the sutra, make adhyahara, Upasamhartavyaha. Satyadi guna of that Brahma, Hiranyagarbha, should be clubbed together. Means Upasamhara has to be taken to. Let us see now the Bhashya.